The foreclosure and enforcement of a maritime lien on a recreational boat is a pretty complicated process because of the expense. Assuming that you do have a maritime lien, and in a case like this where the reader was a mechanic and he performed a service for the boat, he probably does have a maritime lien. Assuming you do have a maritime lien, the proper foreclosure procedure actually involves going to federal court, suing the boat in federal court, getting the U.S. Marshals down to take custody of the boat, and proceeding against the boat similar to the way you would sue a corporation. You sue it almost as if it were a person. The person actually committed this act, and in this case, it got repaired and the owner didn't pay. The problem with this foreclosure procedure is that it's almost, even if it's uncontested, you're not going to get it done for less than probably something around $25,000. In most cases, the attorney's fees are not going to be recoverable. So here we've got a lien that somewhere in the neighborhood of $8,500 or so, and a $25,000 enforcement process. Is it going to pay to actually take those steps? No, it's not. It's just simply too expensive. A better approach, if it's a documented boat, would probably be to record a notice of your claim, a notice of claim of lien with the Coast Guard's National Vessel Documentation Center. This is what people think of when they think of recording a lien. You're recording this notice of lien. Recording the notice of lien costs almost nothing. There's a filing fee with the Coast Guard, but it's pretty cheap. It doesn't give you any special legal rights, but what it does do is it puts the world on notice that you have a claim. You're out there with a claim against the boat. More than likely, when that boat goes up for sale, whether it's 6 months from now or 6 years from now, the buyer is going to want the owner to do something about you. And so at that point, your claim will get resolved. But actually taking steps to foreclose on a maritime lien on a boat for a small claim, like an engine repair or something like that, just doesn't make sense because it's too expensive.